An iPhone-inspired design combined with iPhone-like features, yet retaining a distinctive character that has carved out its own place in the competitive smartphone market, this is the buzz that everyone is talking about. But this excitement isn't just my perspective, it's the collective chatter across the tech community. Can you guess which company is creating this storm of anticipation? Yes, it's none other than Nothing. The Nothing Phone 3 has become the focal point of attention for smartphone enthusiasts worldwide, eagerly counting down the days until its launch. Initially, the release was scheduled for January 2024, but the company decided to delay it by an entire year to refine and perfect its advanced AI features. The new timeline is shifted, and the smartphone is now expected to make its grand debut in mid-2025. With its transparent back panel and forward-thinking design philosophy, Nothing has already managed to secure a unique and memorable position in the highly competitive smartphone market, making this upcoming release even more intriguing for fans and tech enthusiasts alike. And now, prepare yourself for an unexpected twist. Breaking news is emerging from a popular discussion thread on Reddit. A trusted and prominent tech insider digital chat station has revealed a significant detail about the Nothing Phone 3. According to the leak, the device might include an action button similar to the one featured on the iPhone 16. This highly customizable button is expected to offer users greater flexibility, unlocking a range of possibilities and enriching the overall user experience. When paired with the cutting-edge AI capabilities of the Nothing Phone 3, this feature could take the smartphone's functionality to an entirely new level. If this information proves to be accurate, the inclusion of this button will represent a significant and highly anticipated upgrade for the Nothing Phone 3. This feature had already been hinted at last year by the company's CEO Carl Pei through a post on his X account, where he provided an exclusive early glimpse of the upcoming Nothing OS 3. With this new leak surfacing, it has once again sparked a renewed sense of excitement and curiosity among fans of the Nothing brand. Some critics are even suggesting that this feature appears to be a direct replication of something already seen on Apple iPhones. What are your thoughts on this? Do you believe that Nothing is merely copying features from Apple? We'd love to hear your opinion. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Since its debut in the smartphone market, Nothing has successfully launched 4 smartphones, each one steadily increasing in popularity among enthusiasts of mid-range flagship devices. As the tech world looks ahead to what promises to be an action-packed year in 2025, the Nothing Phone 3 has quickly emerged as one of the most eagerly awaited releases. In a crowded field of new devices set to arrive across various price points, the Nothing Phone 3 stands out as one of the most anticipated and exciting arrivals. Speculation surrounding the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3 has been steadily growing over the past several months, with numerous leaks providing us with intriguing glimpses into what this new device might offer. Although the company has yet to officially release any detailed information, recent reports and insider sources suggest that the phone could feature some truly impressive upgrades that have the potential to completely redefine the smartphone experience. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to go above and beyond by incorporating cutting-edge artificial intelligence features, along with top-tier hardware carefully engineered to deliver an exceptionally smooth and seamless user experience that stands out in a crowded market. According to the latest rumors circulating the tech world, the Nothing Phone 3 may include an innovative action button, which is believed to be inspired by the iPhone's own design. This button would allow users to effortlessly control multiple functions with just a simple press, enhancing the overall user convenience and accessibility. In addition to this, the device is rumored to come equipped with an impressive 12 GB of RAM, along with a generous 512 GB of internal storage, providing users with ample power and storage capacity for heavy multitasking, gaming, and managing large amounts of data. At the heart of the device, the phone is expected to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which promises to deliver flagship-level performance, ensuring that users will experience lightning-fast speeds and seamless functionality across a wide range of applications and tasks. On the camera front, the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 is expected to feature an advanced triple camera setup, which includes a state-of-the-art telephoto lens designed to significantly enhance the quality and versatility of your photography. This addition will allow users to capture breathtaking zoomed-in shots with incredible clarity, making it a standout feature for photography enthusiasts. Another area where the Nothing Phone 3 is anticipated to shine is its impressive battery life, boasting a 5,000 mAh battery capacity paired with 45-watt fast charging technology. This powerful combination ensures that users will be able to stay connected and productive all day long without worrying about running out of battery. Given these rumored features, the Nothing Phone 3 is shaping up to be a futuristic, high-performance smartphone that will offer users an exceptional and highly capable experience. So, what are your thoughts on the brand new action button feature in the Nothing Phone 3? We'd love to hear your opinions and reactions to this intriguing addition. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with all the latest tech news and early updates. With that being said, we'll see you all in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into more exciting tech innovations.